Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. Welcome to our kitchen.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos.
Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals. We are Savannah in the Kitchen. I'm Uncle Jamie.
I'm Savannah.
We started our YouTube channel to teach Savannah how to cook. My wife and I sat down one evening and felt that Savannah is getting older and she did not have any cooking skills. This conversation was brought on by a fire she had in the microwave. Absolutely a true story. She was making macaroni and cheese. Just didn't know she had to add the water.
That is a true story. We're not just joking from the first video. Go watch our mac and cheese video to see the image that I actually blew up the microwave. But if you want to see how to actually make stove mac and cheese, go watch our mac and cheese video. It's our first one up.
And that turned out very well. You did a great job with that.
I didn't blow anything up.
No, not at all. No fires. The macaroni and cheese turned out wonderful. We actually ate the macaroni and cheese.
Yes, we did.
That's right.
No char.
I was fortunate when I was around Savannah's age. My grandmother actually taught me to cook. Little Italian lady. Cooked every day for her family. And I guess I was around 13. I had been in the kitchen with her while she was doing her cooking, and one day she said, "You need to learn how to cook." That was a good thing for me. That made it possible for me to cook for our family. And so that's what I'm hoping to pass on to you.
Yeah, right now I couldn't survive a week without cereal or something.
Well, you can make mac and cheese. Pancakes went off without a hitch.
True.
Sloppy Joes look pretty good. And a few more things that we haven't posted yet.
Yeah.
So we'll keep the wraps on that for now.
Yeah. Make sure you come back. I've never really wanted to cook. Both my parents cook, and have tried to pull me into the kitchen, and I've never been interested in it. It wasn't until my parents got COVID, and I had to learn how to fend for all of us, and I didn't have the resources to. I didn't know how, didn't have the food to do it, and so Uncle and a few other family members started bringing me food, and I knew how to use the microwave, so I'd heat it up, and I'd give it to my parents, and that was that.
It's unfortunate. Our family, like a lot of yours, was affected by the COVID-19. This channel was actually started out of that. We need to prepare Savannah and the rest of our children so that they will know how to take care of themselves. And if they're ever put into the situation of having to take care of their family, they will be able to do so. We post our videos weekly. Our menu is made up of things that Savannah likes to eat, easy to cook, and we try to keep our costs low. As you'll notice, we use mostly store brand products. I find they taste good, they keep our costs down, and wherever Savannah is, she'll be able to get it. She's not looking for a specific product that may not be sold in that area. Again, we're trying to prepare Savannah so that when she goes away to college, she can cook for herself.
Well, I have a lot of favorite foods, but my top food has to be spaghetti.
Oh, you love spaghetti.
I could eat that all the time. Like it with meat sauce, plain noodles, whatever. That probably comes from me being Italian.
Just a little bit.
But, I like my grandmother's, famous recipe.
The homemade spaghetti sauce.
Yes.
Right.
So good.
Spaghetti is one of my favorite foods as well. But my favorite food is pizza. I love pizza.
Oh my gosh, I love some pizza.
And we're going to be making pizza in some upcoming episodes. So stay tuned for that. What do they have to do so that they don't miss it?
You gotta turn on your post notifications and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss videos.
Well, that's right. That is, you had to actually help me with that.
Yeah. Okay. Technology ain't your thing.
Exactly. And I'm learning. So as I'm hopefully teaching Savannah how to cook and she can feed herself, she actually teaches me how to turn the computer on, the telephone. It's a process. So stay tuned. We have a lot of bloopers for you. As you'll notice in our videos, we use our air fryer. We've used an induction cooker. We have cooked on the stove. We try to make meals that Savannah can make anywhere. If she has an electrical hookup, she can use her induction cooker. She could use her air fryer, her toaster oven. We're going to be doing some crock pot meals to come. All things that makes it very easy.
College available.
Quick.
Yeah. Something that doesn't take a lot of effort.
That's right, because you have a very busy schedule now, and It's only going to get busier. We're in a very fast-paced society.
Mm-hmm.
Being interviewed by the local paper.
Oh my gosh.
That was
so crazy.
That was so exciting. We posted, and that night, your mom was notified by the local paper.
Mm-hmm. It was crazy.
It is. I have people contacting me that I haven't heard from in years that actually saw that video.
Mm-hmm.
So please, go to our channel and view that video. It was fantastic. What an excitement.
This has become a family project?
A family project, family adventure.
Yes. It is not just us as the faces. Sure, we are the beautiful faces of the camera. But it is my mom behind the camera and my dad who does the editing. And, my aunt, your wife, comes in and just helps out.
She does. Your mom does a great job videoing.
Yes, she does.
Your dad's editing skills, unbelievable. Aunt Tracy does a lot of cleanup because we sure are messy. We try not to show all of that on screen, but wow, we can make a mess.
Yes, we can.
We have lots of bloopers.
Boy, do we.
Yeah. I've never been filmed before. I don't believe you have either.
Yeah, not much either.
No, and so this is all new to us. And boy, the blooper reel that your mom has, oh my.
Woo.
Not a
You're
reel.
laughing it's a reel.
Is it a reel?
It's a reel.
Okay, because I thought it was like one of those video things.
That's a reel.
Okay, good. And so we're going to post that, and hopefully you all will enjoy it. We've had a lot of fun making these videos, and we intend on making a lot more.
Yeah. You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. All of that will be linked down below.
Please leave your comments and suggestions of some recipes of yours that you'd like to share with us that we can try. You're up to trying something new, huh?
Yes, I am. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos.
Hey, thanks for watching. See you next week.